Welcome back to Creative Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to take full control of the amazing new camera control feature on the iPhone 16 series. This is one of the coolest innovations this year, but I've seen some users struggle with it. So let's break it down and show you how to master it like a pro. The new camera control is available on all 4 iPhone 16 models: the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max. Located 2/3 down the right-hand side, it's flush with the phone, preventing accidental presses. It's a hybrid of a mechanical button and a capacitive slider, making it a lot more versatile than it first appears. Camera control works in 2 ways. Press it like a regular button to launch the camera and snap a photo. Slide your finger across it to zoom, adjust exposure, or switch camera modes. One press launches the camera, and a second press snaps a photo. Hold it down to start recording video and release to stop. Here's where things get exciting. The sliding functionality allows you to zoom in and out smoothly, adjust exposure for lighter or darker shots, switch between photographic styles like vibrant, luminous, and more. You also get a cleaner, icon-free interface with this intuitive control system. Section 4. Quick menu tricks. A single tap on camera control brings up the last menu you used, like zoom or style options. A double tap switches to the settings menu. You can quickly adjust depth, zoom, exposure, or style without cluttering the screen. Section 5. Customizing the settings. In Settings. Accessibility. Camera control. You can customize the sensitivity. Adjust the press sensitivity to make it firmer or lighter. Change the speed for double press recognition, making it more responsive to your touch. Section 6. Tips to master it. When double pressing, keep your finger in contact with the control for better accuracy. You can also swipe on the menu options directly on the iPhone screen for easier navigation. With just a little practice, you can turn your iPhone 16 into a professional camera tool. Whether you're shooting photos or videos, mastering camera control gives you more precision and creativity. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on mastering your tech. See you in the next video.